BlockDAG is extending its 50% bonus offer to October 21st, which could attract even more investors. This timing puts it in direct competition with other popular meme coins like BONK and PEPE, both of which have seen notable growth and price surges recently. As BlockDAG continues to grow, its unique value proposition and resilience could make it a formidable contender. Would you like more insights on how BlockDAG's potential compares to BONK and PEPE's recent performances? Momentum, reflecting strong community support and investor interest. However, as with many meme coins, BONK faces questions about long-term stability. Investors are drawn to its rapid gains, but stability concerns remain due to its high volatility and speculative nature. To outpace these concerns, BONK may need to focus on increasing utility or partnerships, or even evolving beyond its current meme status. Are you interested in exploring potential strategies for BONK to maintain this growth while addressing stability?